So this is our Iso Grifo Schlemich electromechanic heater valve. And we've got it hooked up back here to about 24 pounds of pressure, which is the most that any radiator would likely see. The valve inside this thing actually seats on a rubber grommet, so it's a very positive sealing unit. The problem being that the electromechanical portion of this valve, the windings were all burnt out. So we've completely rewrapped all of the windings. It's a positive and a negative to the windings here. Actually, this little ground line that came with it goes to one side normally, and then the other side is energized by some control on the Iso Grifo's dash. We've got, what do we got in here? We got over 100 pounds of pressure in the system, but only 25 to the unit. So are you ready to operate this freshly rebuilt electromechanical solenoid valve? Ready? Okay. Yep. So, hey, it works. Do it again. I'll show them the amperage draw. Okay. Release. Okay, so what is that? Is that 2 amps?
2, yeah.
Yeah, about 2 amps it takes to do this. We copied all of the original wiring exactly, so it's right back to where it was. So, yeah, functional valve. Thank you.